prophecy of Jeremiah. It said, great lamentation was heard, and Rachel was weeping for her children, because they were not, all the baby boys were slaughtered by Herod, who was afraid of he who was born King of the Jews. And it's called Rachel's Lament, and it relates to the psalm and all those wee boys, and some mother's sons. It also relates to today as well, and all those wee boys, some mother's sons, who were murdered or butchered or died in their troubles. So it's called Rachel's Lament. All right? Have you heard? I'll start again. I'm dry. Throat's dry. Have you heard lamentation loud and long for all those young men who have gone? Poor Rachel is weeping at the graves of her children in twilight of evening's dying sun. When the dark comes and falls all around, and bright vision of hope tumbles down, recall men on barbed wire when the whole world caught fire, and the angel of death strode the land. Weep no more, my love, my heart sore, my son. Weep no more, weep no more, weep no more. When the keening wind moans plaintively, like a wail of a ghostly banshee, for that great tragic dying the cosmos is crying, a pibroch, a sad threnody. Weep no more, my son, my heart sore, my son. Weep no more, weep no more, weep no more. When the silver moon drowns in the deep, and terror-filled phantoms haunt our sleep, in the cruel dereliction of Christ's crucifixion, to his open wounds do we flee. Weep no more, my love, my heart sore, I know. Weep no more, weep no more, weep no more. Thank you. I wasn't going to do this, but there's a poem that's sticking in my head at the minute, and it's by a guy called Silito, and he wrote this poem after the darkness and bloodletting and barbarity of the First World War. And this is the poem, and I think it's a fantastic poem, and it speaks to anybody who's grieving, anybody who's hurt, anybody who has a broken heart, anybody who can't understand or get things together. This, I think, speaks to them. If we have never sought, we seek thee now. Thine eyes burn through the dark, our only stars. We must have sight of thorns, scars on thy brow. We must have thee, O Jesus of the scars. The heavens frighten us, they are too calm. In all the universe we have no place. Our wounds are hurting us. Where is thy balm? Lord Jesus, by thy scars we claim thy grace. The other gods were strong, but thou wast weak. They rode, but thou didst stumble to a throne. But to our wounds, only God's wounds can speak. And not a God has wounds, but thou alone. Thank you very much indeed. God bless you.